Oh, hello.
Morning.
You alright?
Yeah, yo.
Yeah.
Sleep alright?
If you mean, did I sleep like a baby? Woke up every 10 minutes screaming? Yeah. Did you?
Yeah, I did actually.
It's a beautiful morning. Look at that. Wow. Anyway, DJI Neo, Castle, fun.
I don't think so. No, 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 no.
Shit. Oh God, it stopped, it crashed. And it got stuck up there in that one in the middle there. And I can't get it to take off. I'm going to try connecting to it using my phone. Bloody hell. Let's just have another look through the goggles. Aircraft altitude angle too large. No, it won't take off. If I can connect it with my phone and make it look that way. Oh, connection successful. Right. Manual control.
How's it looking?
No, I mean I can connect to it through here.
Yeah.
But it still won't take off. So what I need to do is lob some stones or something up and move it, either knock it out and move it around. Do you know what I mean? In some way. Either knock it out or move it so that it moves into a...
You know your second channel for climbing?
This could be the starting point.
Yeah. Hang on. Can't you get your other one?
Oh, what? Lose two up there?
Connect a magnet or a hook and lift it like you did.
With yours?
Yeah.
Alright, plan B. I'm going to go and get the flip and I'm going to go and have a look, see what the situation... I'm going to investigate aerially. Might be able to use the flip to create a downdraft to move the Neo about with the Neo being light. But I don't want to get that stuck in there either. So I've tried sending the flip up, see if I could blow it out. That didn't work. I've been lobbing magnets and, you know, on long strands up at it. That hasn't worked. It's one of those things, if I spent enough time at this, I could do it. But, you know, it's coming up to 9 o'clock now. And we want to eat and we've got the rest of the holiday to have, so right off.
I feel really sad. But not only that, but Nita went and fell down the stairs as well.
Oh, she did, yeah.
So it's been a bit of a chaotic morning.
Yeah, she had a little tumble. She's all right though, aren't you, sweetie?
Yeah.
Yeah. Eventful morning, time for breakfast. How are you doing, Ed?
Hungry.
Right, okay. Junkie breakfast. That doesn't mean we're junkies. Get off me van! Oh, it is that one.
Is it on mine now?
Yeah? Oi, told you, get off my van! Anyway, on the subject of giraffes, have you ever seen one hiding in a tree?
Yeah.
Have you? Oh, good for you. Right, we've dined and dumped. Time to move onward. Come on, get out of the bloody way. Jesus, fucking wet. So one of the aims of this little trip was to take a trek across the north coastline of Wales. Neither of us have done it before, and yeah, so that's what we're actually doing. We're heading down the coastline. We're heading to a ship, I can't remember what it's called, put that on the screen now, and we're going to go and have a look at this ship. I don't know whether it's been grounded or parked on land, but hey, it looks interesting. A little bit of a meander. This is where we've pulled in. Abacan. Yeah, won't get a pack raft on there. Or a kayak.
Well, it's not yet.
Yeah, might do in flood. Might do when the tide's in. Good job I've got my walking Crocs on. I think this would be a good spot to get the drone out. Yeah. What did you think of that drone footage of that then? I was quite chuffed with that, just enjoyed flying around that. Just been having a great chat with these guys. Whereabouts are you from?
So we live in Liverpool, but we are all Brazilians.
All Brazilian, Brazilian Portuguese.
Brazilian Portuguese indeed.
Yeah, we just met up, we've been chatting for ages, holding them up on their little tour.
Well, we're not complaining, we really enjoyed the chat with you guys as well.
Alright, cheers guys.
Cheers. Take care.
Right, we're heading up to Talica. Yeah, that was a really spontaneous meet with those Portuguese Brazilian people. Ainsley happens to pick up on them talking and he said, oh, is that, are you Portuguese? And yeah, Brazilian Portuguese. We got chatting away. We were talking to them for about half an hour. Lovely guys. So yeah, really nice to meet you folks. Oldest friend's done that thing again where he's taken the wrong turn off. I've followed him, but he's gone all the way to the bottom. I'm just going to sit here and wait for him to come back. Numpty.
Right down there, the low drop.
Here he comes. Numpty alert. There's a sculpture on that roundabout and I think it's to reflect the fact that there's a nice lighthouse off this coastline. If we ever get round this roundabout, that is. Parked, wandering. Notice board. Everybody fannying about with the crap paid by phone app because the machine ain't working. Nobody's happy. Yeah, it does look like we've dropped unfortunate with the weather. It rained last night. Oh, look at that. I just turned around and seen that. Yeah, but let's look back at that. The weather forecast for this week, might have already mentioned it on day one. It's pretty good.
We're heading down to the beach.
Oh wow, this is really soft. Oh, I can see a lighthouse. Let's head towards the lighthouse. Wow, now that's a bloody wind farm. The camera will not do this justice. But out there on that skyline, there are more than I can count.
Yeah, but Carl,
that is vast.
you can only count to 10, so that's why.
And there's a few more out that way too. Oh yeah, and there's a lighthouse. This is a nice duney beach. It's a bit breezy, so I didn't fly too much with the drone. Already lost one today, not risking losing another. But yeah, it's quite a spectacular coastline along here. So over on the very far side, which the camera won't make out, you've got the Wirral area and Liverpool area over there. And then further up here is the River Dee, which is kind of what feeds into this area. This is the Dee estuary, feeding into the sea. Irish Sea? Might be.
Yeah.
It will be, won't it? Yeah. Lots of tankers and stuff out on the horizon line. And like I say, biggest wind farm I have ever seen. It's just vast. It goes all the way down out of sight. It's huge.
It's huge.
Now I think we came from over there, but that looks more of a challenge, so let's do this one. Right, I'm going to take a run. I'm taking a run. Oh, God, it's hard work. I nearly made it, Yeah. I was in sport mode, yeah. New Crocs, in sport mode, but you know, they're full. Little snack stop. Cup of tea. That stove, oh yeah, it's got some beans. Off we go again. That was a nice little spot, this at Talica. Nice big beach and everything. We're now heading over to, we've put Horton's Nose in our sat-navs, respective sat-navs, and we're heading over to the Rill area. Apart from losing a drone, quite enjoying today. But that's the thing with FPV flying. At some point, you're either going to lose or damage something. It's quite a spectacular church building.
It is.
So what's this? Is this Rill seafront, do we think?
I think it could be.
That dragon.
Surprisingly, I'm smelling candy floss and hot dogs.
I haven't seen anybody in a Kiss Me Quick hat yet though.
No, I think it'd be Kutch.
Rill. But brilliant. Hey, where do I get them? Rill, famous for its butt plugs. Oh, nice little beachy area, a bit pebbly. You can see that wind farm again further down. So over on that side there's the one we were looking at from, well, further that way. Bloody hell, it does just keep on going, this thing. Absolutely huge.
It's huge.
There's a couple of sort of like big deadwood trees and stuff down here, and yet I'm not seeing where they could have come from. Weird. A few razorfish shells. Kind of an unusual one. It's almost like it's volcanic. Just found another bit. I've just been playing with a magnet that I've got on my key ring, and there's quite a bit of iron in that. It's almost got a latch onto it. We're on the move again, and we're heading over to a car park at St. Quentin. I can't pronounce it or spell it. Hopefully we're going to be alright staying there for the night. We're going to check it out. It was on park for the night, so hopefully, as I say, we should be okay. Here we go by the look of it. Oh, this looks like a nice little spot. This is where we're going to be staying tonight. Nice quiet area. Going to set ourselves up here. He's already gone. Yeah. Notice board here. Mind Marion, local nature reserve. looks like we could be in for some trouble. Ooh, mammoths. Could be a little bit sketchy around here tonight. Got alcohol-free beer, nice little seating arrangements. Let the leisure commence. Yeah. I might have bought a little bit of pork for tea. Sizzle, sizzle. Check at the business end. Looking alright. Oh, it smells great. Move it around a little bit. I'm actually going to flip this rather than try and turn that over. The advantage of the ridge monkey. There we go. Still cooking. We've been going for about 30 minutes. Let's give it another flip. Oh yeah, now it's going a bit golden, starting to look the part. Pork. Was it alright?
Oh, is it pork what?
Belly pork.
Belly pork. Spicy. You can have
Salt
a little
and
bit
chilli.
when it cools down.
It's coming dark now. Can't even see all this around. Hang on. There he is. And yeah, I've just put, this is a micro fire pit, one of these little like Solo Stove Mesa kind of clones, but this is a lot smaller than some of the others. So just sort of like give this a go. Temu special. We'll see what it's like in slow motion in the, well, right about now. Disco car. Jesus, wet. Go on, start dancing. Have you seen me dancing? You know, really dancing. Well, that was an interesting day. Can't believe I lost the Neo. But hey, que sera, sera. When you're doing a bit of FPV stuff, that kind of thing happens from time to time. Fun day, you know, starting off at Flint, heading up, seeing that boat, the lighthouse, and across to Rill. Really nice drives. Tomorrow we've got a big castle to look at. Then we're going to head over Llandudno way and then over to Anglesey. Right, I'll see you in the morning.